Mathematics can be found everywhere. In nature, there's a lot of things that we can find in mathematics, like the different patterns of leaves, the animals, the tree, the rivers, and so many more. For today's video, we should try to find out if there is a flower that has a Fibonacci. I found this flower. This flower is example of Fibonacci. Why? Because as you can see, this flower already has 5 petals. So 5 is a part of Fibonacci number. Just like 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 2 is equals 5, 5 plus 3 is equals 8, 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. So nabanggit ang number 5. So confirm that this is also an example of Fibonacci sequence.